Today concept is a strings. So first of all, let me explain few points about that strings. Strings. So what is a string? String is a sequence of characters. Sequence of characters. Characters means alphabets, digits, and symbols, anything. Here it is a string represents using double quotes. Using double quotes. And here it is how the memory will be allocated means for string. What is the last character of the string is a null character. String ends with a null character. This is actually null character. What is the ASCII value of null character? ASCII value of null character is 0. 0. Just how the memory will be allocated. First of all, directly instead of using that string, we are working with the character array also. First, we perform all operations using that string. For example, normally, if you are taking that string, in two ways you can write that string. In two ways. One is a character array. Like a string equals to, suppose 6. Here it is a hello we are writing. The last character is a string. And you can represent or using that character pointer also. Character pointer str equals to hello. Here no need to specify the size. No need to specify the size. So note down. Add this one also. String.h is providing is a so many library functions. Library functions to manipulate strings. We'll see all those things also. Now we are writing all the programs one by one. First of all, I'm just taking that character array. First, all operations I want to do using that character array. Character ARR equal to size based on the array. I'm just writing A, B, C at the rate 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and dollar we are taking. 1, 2, 3 dollar. So first one, I just want to find the length. I already told you what is that length. What is that length? LEN equals to You know that size of the array by, now here you need to specify size of the character. Size of the character. Sir, sir, Jason, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. గురువారం ఉంటున్నాం సార్. అదే సార్. సరే. ఓకే. ఓకే. ఓకే సార్. Now, here it is. Whenever we are doing this one, if you want to find out the first character is percentage C, ARR of 0. It is in the first location. Next one, if you want to find out that last character is percentage C, last character ARR of total length minus 1, because you need to decrease by 1. Sir, length also I want to print. What is that length is? Length percentage D. Why? Because length you are representing with integer only, na? In integer only you are representing the length. So once you run this code, printf, right? Total length is a 8. First character is A. Last character is a dollar. So total how many characters are there? Total 8 characters are there. So length is a 8. First character is in 0th location, but last character is in 7th location. That's why length minus 1 we need to write. Okay, do this. Display. If you want to write display length comma first character and last characters. Got it? Next. I just want to display that array, display array, and same display reverse array in reverse order. As we know already, the simple concepts. So we are writing in a both in a single program. Single program. Just array is all elements we are printing using that for loop, that index starting with 0 for I equals to 0. Next one, I less than or equals to length minus 1, I plus plus. We are just printing percentage C. Each character is present in that one, ARR of I. Here it is all elements will print. All elements. Sir, I just want to print reverse array. Print reverse array. So here it is. Just a reverse array is. So what we need to do? Starting from the length minus 1. Length minus 1 is greater than or equals to 0. I minus minus. That's all. Then all will print in reverse order. Ending with the dollar, starting with the dollar. Okay. These things already we have completed using arrays. Just in place of array, we are using characters. So I'm using that format specifier is percentage %C. Okay, do this. Loop iteration is the same because in place of just integers, we are using characters. That's all. Okay, now see here in this one, a few important things. I want to display only alphabets. Remaining, I don't want to display. So as usual, repeat the loop from start to end. Start to end. Here it is. Display only alphabets. Display only alphabets in the given array. In the given array. So once you get that character, look at this. Each character we are collecting into ARR of I, nothing but ARR of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all. Here we are checking that if the character is between capital A and capital Z, or is a small a and small z is a small z, then only printing that ch. Why you are collecting into ch means what? Every time you can't use error of I, error of I, error of I. So that's why simply that error of I you can keep into ch variable. No means what? Directly you can replace everywhere ch with the error of I. Only alphabets printing. A, B, C. Only alphabets. Do this. Now I just want to count how many alphabets are there and how many digits are there and how many symbols are there. I want to display. Just count. Count alphabets, comma, digits and symbols. Count alphabets, comma, digits and symbols. Total how many alphabets? See, these are the alphabets now. We are taking three variables. One is the alphabets equal to 0. Initially counting starts with 0. Digits and symbols. So when it is an alphabet, just increase the count of alphabets plus plus. Else if it is a digit, digits means what? Starting from 0 to 9. is a digits plus plus. If it is not alphabet and not a digit, it's a symbol. So symbols plus plus. Symbols plus plus. And finally, what we do, we need to we need to print after for loop. Alphabets count is percentage D count it is. Alphabets is alphabets count. Next digits count is digits count is a digits. Next symbols count is symbols count is a symbols like this. Total how many alphabets are there? How many digits are there? And how many symbols are there? Note this. Written? Right. So now one very important example in this, they will ask the questions like this. Sum of digits. Sum of digits. Okay. In the given array. Digits here it is a 1, 2, 3 are there. First let me write the code. If it is a digit, the first one is we are trying to print the digit. Get this? Just here it is a printf, %d, %c. I'm printing that character. Output is a 1, 2, 3 came. 1, 2, 3. So here what we are doing, I'm taking sum equal to 0. Whenever you found the character is a digit, simply you are adding to the sum. Sum is equals to sum plus that character. And outside, we are printing sum of digits. But see, look at this. A very important point here. 1 plus 2 plus 3, we are expecting 6. But when you run the code, 150 is the output. 150. What is that? The simple reason is here that one corresponding ASCII value is a 49. 2 corresponding ASCII value 50. 3 corresponding ASCII value 51. So 49 plus 50 plus 51. It is doing. So look at this. CH minus 48 you have to do. CH minus 48 output is a 6. Let me explain. Then you will get clarity. Here 0 corresponding 0 in single quotes. Observe this. 0 corresponding ASCII value is a 48. So if you do minus 48, you will get that value is a 0. 1 in single quotes, observe, because it's a character. Value is a 49. Make it minus 48, it will be 1. Next 2 value is a 50. Is a 50. Minus 48 is a value is a 2. 3 corresponding value is a 51. Minus 48 value is a 3. So every value minus 48 you have to do. That's why minus 48. This minus 48 is used to convert character to number, or simply digit type character to that normal number. Okay, do this. Then you will get the output is a 6. Complete all these things for today. Okay, after completion of this, you can leave for today. Practice all these things. We go.